Guys, running Kimono here. So before we dive into Dollar General, if you want to stop the video and apply for this, do it right away. There's 200,000 beauty bags that Dollar General will be mailing to customers in the US only. So you have to fill out a little survey or take the quiz and then provide your email, phone number of your Dollar General account along with your shipping information. They typically throw in like some sort of weird little sample, like a Caress body wash, like the itty bitty ones, and coupons before in the past, like the last 4 years they've done this. And then along with you get a digital coupon that's specific to this promotion. So this morning I couldn't find the link, but the freebie guy, thank you, Kendall. You're so awesome. He has the direct link, so I'll link it at the top of the notes here. It'll be pinned. So if you didn't get the email, look for this pinned link. And again, special thank you to Kendall for posting that, because I could not find that link on the Dollar General site. And it was like, I was trying to find it for you guys, and it was just like, I was kind of frustrated. But go right away, apply for this, because a nice little shopping tote is what it's all about. Okay, so today's video, we're going to talk about this, which is to stack the 5 off of 30 with the 5 off of 25. If you're going to go and do these deals before Saturday, it's going to be an extra $5 because the 5 off of 25 is for the 20th only. So on Saturday, you have the biggest amount of savings. So a couple rules for you. The biggest savings will be on Saturday, February the 20th, as the two boosters stack. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure at the very least, the 5 off of 30 booster and the digital coupons are attaching. Bring a pad of paper and pen. If you're off by 1 penny, not going to work. You got to be $30 or more. These are also Michigan prices, so if something's on clearance, if you're in a different part of the US where things might be a little bit more, just be also very mindful of that. And a question I get asked quite a bit, when do you punch in your phone number? When the cashier starts to scan the merchandise, I punch my phone number into the keypad, and I haven't been having any issues. I've been doing this for the last probably 2 months. And just to answer that question, because a lot of people do ask. If you want to go and give me a follow over on Instagram, my name's on the screen. The account is also listed in the notes of this video. A couple Saturdays ago with the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, and they had a 5 off of 20 for gain. They always change it up. I got my basket down to $4.15. You can see the proof is in the pudding there on the right hand side. This does in fact work. And then also just a general basket of merchandise. I got this down to $2.86 last weekend. It's absolutely fantastic when you can get these boosters to work because it's some really big savings. I love the Dollar General on Saturday. A lot of you have also been asking about Pumpkin, like what's the update, what's he been up to. Just to let you guys know, he's over in California. He's working at that very fancy French Laundry restaurant. It's too fancy for me to even drive by. That's not my speed, these fancy restaurants. Apparently he's working as a dishwasher, and he's living his best life in California. And with the lockdowns over there, I don't know how many dishes he's actually washing, but that's what he's doing. And yep, still smoking a lot. He texts my husband, but not me. Since about Christmas time, he hasn't been talking to me. So we're still having some issues. He's going through that horrible teenage phase. So that's the update with Pumpkin. So deal number 1, the first 2 are 100% digital. So hopefully a lot of you can do this. So load the following. That is your 5 off of 25 along with the 5 off of 30. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use, just to note that. So if you did this last weekend, you can't do it again on the same store card. We're going to grab 2 of these Febreze, this double pack of these car clips for $5 each. If you want to scan at home, here you go. As you can see, it's the 5 off of 30 along with that 3 off of 2. It's the only digital coupon that's remaining from last week, but it's still there right till the end of the month. So we're going to be utilizing these 2 for this first item. Okay, and the next item that we're going to grab is 2 bags of the Gain Flings for $6.95. On the app, I was finding that the original was attaching with this digital coupon, just to note that. And here's what the digital looks like. It's 3 off of 2. And as you can see, Gain Flings 24 to 51 count. So we're grabbing 2 bags of the 24s. We're also going to grab one of these, which is the 200 count of the Gain dryer sheets. And there's a $2 digital coupon. Hopefully you guys have it. Okay, let's look at the math for this one. Remember, we're doing this on a Saturday. So we're grabbing 2 of those double packs of the Febreze Gain clips. So they're $5 each. So that's 10. 2 Gain Flings 24 count at $6.95 a pop. That's $13.90. 1 Gain Dryer Sheet 200 count for $6.95. So the total right there is $30.85. Remember, we punched in our phone number when the cashier started scanning everything. When the cashier presses the pay or the total button, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. So you're left with paying $12.85 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking each item out to $2.57 each. That's not too shabby. Okay, so the next deal that we have is 100% digital. We need the following boosters loaded, which is the 5 off of 25. And of course, we're doing this on a Saturday as well. And you're going to need your 5 off of 30 loaded to your Dollar General account. So if you have you just don't want those Febreze clips, this might be the deal for you. We're going to grab one of these for $3 on the nose. It is the Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Cleaner with the Gain scent. Please make sure you're grabbing this one. We have a $1 off coupon, plus, as you can see, it's attaching with the 5 off 30. We're grabbing one of these 200 counts for $6.95. We're grabbing 2 of them, actually. And then we have this goofy coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. If you read the verbiage, those dryer sheets are also included. It's like a mile long, what is and is not included. So, yeah, 2 of those. And then we're also going to be grabbing 2 of these bags of the Gain pods for $6.95, and we have a 3 off of 2 that's attaching. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the math for this little basket. We're again doing this on a Saturday. 1 Mr. Clean with the Gain scent, the multi-surface cleaner, is $3 on the nose. 2 Gain dryer sheets, 200 counters at $6.95 a pop, is $13.90. 2 Gain Flings 24 count is also $13.90. They're $6.95 as well. So adding up all of that, guys, your total is $30.80. Remember, when the cashier's scanning, punch in your number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with the $7 of digital manufacturers. So that's $17 off your order. You're left with paying $13.80 for the 5 items. This does not include your tax. It shakes out each product to $2.76 each. Not too shabby. And the final deal that I have for you guys is with paper coupons. So we're going to need the 2 boosters for this little basket that include the 5 off of 25. So make sure you have this guy loaded. And then the big sister to this one, which is the 5 off of 30. So you need these 2 boosters loaded to play for this deal. First item that we're going to grab is a 51 count of the Gain Flings. It comes in this goofy container, and it's $13.50 on the nose. So in the Retail Me Not of Valentine's Day, so last weekend, we had this very generous $3 off coupon. It's 37 count or larger, so yes, it will work with a 51 count. Verbiage on this is 1 per person or else, so we're just going to use the 1 paper coupon. And then we're going to grab some liquid detergent because everything's been like dryer sheets or weird stuff. So this guy is $6.95, and then we have a $2 coupon from that same insert that we can use, as this is the 45 or larger. So this guy is a $2 off. And we're also going to be grabbing for our basket 2 of these car clips for $10. And please have that 3 off of 2 loaded. So looking at the math here, guys, 1 Gain Flig 51 count is $13.50. 1 Gain Liquid is $6.95. And then 2 of the Febreze with the Gain car clips, the double packs, that's $10. They're 5 on the nose. So the total for your basket is $30.45. Punch in your phone number at the front and then present the 2 coupons after the cashier scans the last item, which is the 3 off and the 2 off from the Retail Me Not of February the 14th, subtracting $5 right there. And then when the cashier presses the final pay button, that's when all the math will aggregate. So it's still at 30. So the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the 3 off of 2 digital for the Febreze car clips or whatever they're called. So you're ended up paying $12.45 out of pocket. This does not include your tax for the 4 items, shaking it out to $3.11 each. If you consider that you're getting that huge thing of Gain Flings, a beautiful thing of the liquid, this is not a bad little basket for just a bunch of little meat and potatoes items. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.